Hey everyone, this time I'm going to add some polish to the game via sound effects. Okay, let's listen to the sound effects first. Okay,
いいかもしれない。
okay, that's our main character.
いいかも。
So let's add these sound effects to the game. First, we need to define a number for the sound effect so that the game will remember which sound effect file to play. It is 16. 16. And let's play it here. Play response sound. Play response sound. And because we need to set a certain amount of short delay before playing the sound. So we need to put it into a block that we can schedule to play at a certain time. Let's just copy this. Okay. Now we need to load the sound effect before the stage starts. So let's go to the bottom. Oh no. Game layer. Okay. Let's get a random number so that you alternate between these three files for each character. 0, 1 and 2. So it's 0 to 2. And we load the sound effect. For character sound response. And because you want to alternate between the sound effects, you want to make sure that each time the character attacks or uses an item or moves, it doesn't repeat the same sound. So to do that, how is it here? Yeah. Color random sound ID. Okay, tab sprite. Alright, yeah, this here. So to do that, we need to store the previous number And then response. Yeah, it's a long name, but helps to remember. Sound ID. Well, if you're wondering what this does, is for, yeah, I'll show you later. And then sound ID. Okay. Initialize it. And after each turn, which is here, schedule check done. Yeah, okay, let's do it here. Let me just check something. Okay, yep, we can do it there. Let's go back to schedule check done. So before each turn ends, okay, we can change the sound effect to another one. Okay, let's just copy this and go to schedule check done. And then some ID. Okay, 0 to 2. Current random sound ID. So basically what here does is to ensure that the random number that's written isn't the same as what was previously used. So we don't need all this. And then for sound character response and loading response file. Oh, and let's go back to game layer. Okay, we need to ensure that the first randomly obtained number is safe so that it doesn't repeat itself. So let's do this. And then sound ID. Okay. So for example, if this returns 0, sets to 0, and when we do an attack, it changes to 1. So it will be set here. Only if it changes to 1 or 2. Set here. So every time after each turn, each attack will alternate between the 3 sound effects for each character. So to test that out, okay, let's just make sure that invincible mode is not on. Okay, it's not on. Alright, let's just test it out. Alright, it's Thursday, 8 AM in the morning. How's everyone doing? Okay, here we go. Okay. Here we go. Okay, as you can see, it's in Japanese, but that's not the main point. Okay. Interesting. Zero and zero. Let's try stage 2.
Ah, フィールドの上。あれは、まさか。
Skip. Oh, and I've already previously added sound effects for when you tap on a character. So you can do something like this.
あ、これは、あれは、妙だけど、なんだ
See how it alternates between the different sounds? So let's try moving. Okay, we haven't added the sound effect for moving, but we have done so for attacking. Let's try that.
潰せる
Yep. Let's see if it changes to another one.
いい
Yep, it does.